Welcome to Baking Bad. I'm your host, Tom Smith, and this is the season finale. Only 4 competitors have made it this far. Let's meet the contestants.
Hi, I'm Peyton. I'm from the Big Island, Hawaii.
I'm Brittany. I'm from Greenwich, England.
I'm Brianna, and I'm from New York City.
Hi, my name is Zora. I feel like Twilight Wednesday.
I'm just really excited. I'm gonna have a good time, and hopefully everyone is nice and loves me because I feel like everybody who meets me loves me, and I love me too.
I think I'm gonna win because frankly, I mean, I saw the other people. They're like, they were fine, I guess, but they just don't seem like they know what they're doing.
And I want to be a unicorn when I grow up.
For Edward!
I'm pretty good at everything, so I can do it.
I just know I'm gonna win. I'm the best. I've been baking since I was 2 with my mom. I'm Chad.
And I'm Brad.
So let's see what these bakers have to offer.
For the first challenge, our final 4 bakers are tasked with making a traditional berry pastry from Germany called Hühnerschweinbierchen.
OMG, I saw these at the shop in Greenwich. They're so easy to make. You just only need a bowl. Oh, and some flour. Perfect. So I added my cup of flour, my 5 cups of sugar, and yeah.
Does she know that's not sugar, that's salt?
I think we're in for some salty time.
I really don't know what I'm gonna do, but I'll be fine. Let's just start doing things. Well, they didn't really tell us how long to put this in the oven for, so I'll just go for it.
I don't really know.
Oh yeah, flour. Let's see. That should be good. I think it's just time to mix.
I know for a fact this is 40 minutes in the oven. So, let's see what the oven. Perfect. Put it in the oven. Perfect.
These look good.
Yeah, a little flat, but I think we'll just have to see how they taste.
Oh my goodness, these taste amazing.
Oh.
If it weren't for the flatness,
Yeah, they're pretty
they could have
flat.
been show-stopping.
These look delicious.
Yeah, simply lovely. This is an ideal looking Hühnerschweinbierchen.
Shall we give it a taste?
So this is really good. It's airy. You can see all of the air pockets there.
Amazing texture.
Yeah.
I think you've done really well with these.
Overall, you did a very good job.
Well done.
Thank you.
They're crushed. My soul.
Okay.
Looks like they were a little roughly handled coming out of the oven, but we should see how they taste.
Yeah. Some of this piece got a bit burnt. That's over the goal.
No, no.
Oh dear.
I added 5 cups of sugar.
Okay, I saw you
I think
baking. I saw you baking. That was not sugar. That was salt.
In the future, watch the labels on things, but I think, I don't know what I think.
Yeah, I don't know. What
I think this is rigged.
Okay.
Yeah, I did it right.
This looks like a cookie though.
It's alright. Let's give it a taste. It looks like it could be good. Frankly, it tastes amazing.
Yeah.
It's just not what we were looking for.
We've come to our conclusion for the first round pastries winners. I'll let you start.
In fourth place, we have Zora.
In third place, we have Peyton.
In second place, Brina.
And finally, in first place, congratulations to Brittany.
I can't believe Brittany won.
Brittany won? Well, salt chases vampires away. Maybe it'll chase away the judges. I'm gonna put the salt in Brittany's sugar bowl because I'm feeling naughty.
So far, we've had a very interesting variety of pastries come our ways. Now we have our contestants making any choice of their own cake.
What should I do for my cake? I know, a Christmas cake. We'll have 2 layers, actually. Because why not? I love Christmas, and when this idea came to me, I was like, OMG, it's perfect, because it's like Christmas in like 6 months. So it's like fine.
So, 1 layer, then there's the unicorn, and this is my small cake. Like me. My plan for the cake is to do a bunch of unicorn stuff, because I love unicorns.
My soul just feels it. I got 4th place on the last. I am pouring my dark soul into this cake.
Low key, kind of feeling a double. Should be chocolate. Brittany's got nothing on this cake.
I am a very nice person, and I don't get angry that much. But I literally didn't win.
I mean, honestly, it worked as last time, the method that I did, so... Okay, what's next?
30 minutes left.
Oh no, I have to hurry up.
Wow, I'm really ahead of them. They have no chance.
I haven't even started on the frosting.
5 minutes left.
We're down.
Kind of think you should have chilled that frosting first before piping it.
Here's my small cake. My cake is a chocolate small sponge cake with cinnamon vanilla frosting.
So, initially I saw your plan. I thought you were going to involve a unicorn. How's that work out?
I was, but it didn't really turn out well. So,
Well, the piping really makes up for it, I think. Let's give it a taste.
So, what tastes cake technically different? Is it like there's cinnamon and vanilla? Is that right? Yeah.
Yeah, it really pops out in the frosting. Lovely flavors you've got there.
The cake, it's perfect density. It's a moist sponge cake, but it's not like super dense.
I'm going to have to help myself to another slice after this one.
Hot ham.
Nice work.
I made a chocolate sponge cake with Christmas sprinkles on top. And I love Christmas, and obviously Christmas isn't that far away. It's like 6 months. So why not? It's about Christmas season already. So I hope you like it. Is something wrong?
My goodness.
Very salty.
The level of salt in this cake could absorb all the water in the Bahamas.
Nice job on the chocolate and the jam.
The jam is lovely, but the cake itself is full of salt. I don't know.
This is my cake. It has a little bit of jam on the inside, strawberry jam, and there's chocolate frosting, and it's really good. And I hope you guys actually see my true talent in this cake.
Perhaps the frosting is just thick.
Frosting's very good. The cake, very hard, jelly.
Very firm.
Oh.
The jam itself, the jam is lovely. The strawberries really have the most lovely fresh flavor in the world. However, the cake is the real issue for us.
You're the real issue.
Thank you, Zora, for your time. My goodness, quite a showstopper.
That's very good.
Your piping job and the delicacy of the cake is just marvelous.
It's very easy to cut compared to the last one.
Well, the explosion of flavor right there was overwhelming.
Amazing. It's light. It's not super dense.
Everything we like to see in a cake.
Thank you.
Very good work.
Thank you, judges.
Well, we've come to our conclusion for the overall winner of this season of Baking Bad. In fourth place, we have Zora.
In third place, it's Brittany.
What? No!
In second place, we have Brina.
This is rigged.
And finally, in first place, the winner of the season finale of Baking Bad. Congratulations, Peyton!
You stink.
Watch where you're going.
You watch where you're going.
I heard your cake didn't work out.
Yeah, but Georgia said it was like salty or something. You did not. What? I can't believe she hit me in the face. This is my good side. What am I supposed to cover this up with? I can't believe her. I didn't do anything.
Brittany is a snake. She should have never won the first round. She got the karma she deserved.
Hayden, congratulations on the big win. How does it feel to be the winner of the 5th season of Baking Bad?
I'm so stoked. Let's go.
It's great. Are you ready for your prize?
Yeah, I'm ready for that.
For your prize, we have one beautiful, genuine gray squirrel. Isn't she just beautiful?
Oh, hey, little dude.
So we both won a round, but